Representation of set. We know that every set is a well-defined collection of distinguishable objects. Thus, a set consists of objects. These objects, which constitute the set, are called as elements of the set. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. constitute the set of natural numbers denoted by capital letter N. Therefore, we say that 1 is an element of the set N. In symbolic form, we write it as 1 epsilon N and read it as 1 belongs to N or 1 is an element of set N. The symbol epsilon stands for belongs to or is an element of. It is to be noted that the name of the set is denoted by capital letters, whereas the elements are denoted by small letters. Representation of a set. A set is represented in three different forms, such as roster form or tabular form or list form. Secondly, set builder form or set selector form or rule form. Thirdly, Venn diagram form. Let's learn one by one. Roster form. In this form, all the elements of the set are written within a pair of braces and a comma is given between two consecutive elements. For example, set of natural numbers n is written in set roster form as beginning of curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, The dots show that the series continues forward, followed by the closing brace. For example, another example, the set of natural numbers less than 5 is written as beginning of curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4. A set of natural numbers less than 5 is written as 1, 2, 3, 4 within a pair of curly braces. Z plus or set of positive integers is written as beginning of curly bracket 1, 2, 3, and close of the curly bracket. The set of integers Z is written as comma, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and close of the curly bracket. Or we write it as 0, plus minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and closure of the curly bracket. Set of vowels in English alphabet is written as beginning of curly bracket A, E, I, O, U, and close of the curly bracket. The set of letters in the word mathematics is written as beginning of curly bracket M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S, and closing of the curly bracket. It is to be noted that an element should be written only once in a set. Set builder form. In this form, this set is described within braces by a variable or a letter representing a typical element of the set, followed by a symbol colon or slash, and a property of the rule satisfied by all the elements of the set is written, and thereafter the curly bracket is closed. Examples: the set consisting of the elements A, E, I, O, U is written as beginning of curly bracket X, such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. Similarly, the set consisting of elements 2, 4, 6 and 8 is written in set builder form as beginning of curly bracket X, colon or slash x is an even natural number less than 9. Secondly, another example, the set consisting of elements 1, 2 and 3 is written as x such that x is a natural number less than 4. Similarly, the set consisting of elements 1, 2, 3 and 6 is written as beginning of curly bracket set of all x such that x is a factor of 6. Similarly, set of natural numbers, set of rational numbers is written as set of all x such that x is equal to a by b, comma b is not equal to 0, a and b belongs to z, that is a b integers, and the GCD of a and b is 1, that is a and b are relatively prime to each other, and closing of the curly bracket. Another example, let's see with the set of complex numbers, that is written as set of all z such that z is equal to x plus iy, where xy belongs to R. Similarly, the set consisting of elements 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 are represented in set builder form by set of all x such that x is equal to 2 to the power n and n belongs to the set of natural numbers. Venn diagram. This is the representation of set on diagram. In this form, the elements are represented by points within a closed figure and the elements are written beside the point representing the element. A universal set is represented by a rectangle and other sets are represented by closed figures within the rectangle at the interior of the rectangle as shown in the figure. On this first diagram, U consists of the elements A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J, whereas A is a subset of the set U consists of the elements B and C. B consists of the elements D, E and F. Now look at the set C. It consists of elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, whereas the set D consists of the elements 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now there are some problems for your practice. Question number 1, write the following sets in roster form. A. Set of all x such that x is equal to n plus 1, n belongs to n and n lies between 1 and 5. B. A set of all x such that x is equal to n minus 1, n belongs to n and n lies between 2 and 8. C. Set of all x such that x is a consonant in English alphabet. D. Set of all x such that x is a factor of 8. E. Set of all x such that x is an even prime number. F. Set of all x such that x is a remainder obtained by dividing a natural number less than 10 by its predecessor where the divisor is greater than or equal to 2. Now take another example. Write the following sets in set builder form. A is the set consisting of the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Similarly, B, the set in list form of roster form is the set consisting of elements 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. C, the set consists of elements 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 and 15. D, the set consisting of elements 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5 and so on. F, the set consisting of the elements 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 5 by 4, dot dot dot. Similarly, G, the set consisting of the elements R, P, L, A, B, A, E. H, the set consisting of elements R, P, A, O, T. I, the set consisting of elements A, P, Y, E, N, M, T, and so on.